In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted text messages on your iPhone. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, we're going to start with the easiest method and then we'll move on to the more complicated one. Go ahead and begin by opening up the Messages app. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is find the edit button up in the top left. Go ahead and select that. Look for a recently deleted option in here. If it's not there for you, tap the three lines and then go ahead and hit recently deleted. And you're going to see all of these messages just like so. Essentially scroll through, find whatever it is that you're looking for, and then go ahead and hit recover or just hit recover all on this. However, if your messages are not showing up here or it's been longer than 30 days, there are a couple of other ways that this could work. Begin by backing out of this and opening up the settings app and tap on your Apple ID up at the very top and then go ahead and scroll down and select iCloud. From here, find messages on here. Go ahead and just make sure that you turn this on and then tick on use on this iPhone. If it was unfortunately ticked off, this is not going to work for you until now. In the future, it'll work, but as of now, it won't. But as you can see, it says keep messages forever on here, meaning that if you want to see your messages back up, which is going to include all of those deleted messages, back out of this section, scroll down and select your iCloud backup, and you'll be able to see all of those messages. But if the message is already gone and not in recently deleted, the only other remaining option is restoring from an older iCloud or computer backup. To do that, back out of the settings page again and go to the general tab by scrolling down, selecting general, and then going all the way down to the very bottom and selecting transfer or reset iPhone. Go ahead and hit erase all content and settings just like so, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and then set your phone backup and choose restore from iCloud backup. You must select a backup that was made before the messages were deleted, and once it is restored, the messages from that backup will reappear. Just keep in mind, restoring from a backup will replace your current data with whatever was saved at that time. But that is it. Those are the legitimate ways to recover deleted text messages here on an iPhone. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.